Hey guys, Animal Jam Lover 245 here, and today we will be doing a best dress glitch. Now, people have been saying if you follow these steps, you can keep the items you have in best dress. I'm not sure if it's true, but I'm gonna just try out because I watched the video and they kept their stuff. I don't know if they're like joking or anything, but well, let's go. Okay, guys, I'm going to Core Canyons to do the glitch. So, I think my computer's gonna freeze. Well, once I get to best dress, I'll start the video again. Okay, guys, I'm back. Now let's go in sorry, my throat. Let's go in best dress. Let's wait till the practice round's over. And let me explain to you what we're gonna do. You play 4 rounds of best dress. The first 3 rounds, you pick the stuff that you want to keep. But on the 4th round, you do something different. So, you still want to stay tuned to me on the 4th round. Okay? I'll play when the practice is over. Okay, the practice is over, so first pick the things you want. So, my advice, I'll go to head down to left, because I think it will be easier. So, I want this. Ooh, yeah, I want that. I'll take this. I always like to try to get rares because those are awesome. But if you don't get rares, then just like try to see anything good. Really. Okay. Wow, there are not a lot of people here. First intelligent. Don't I look so intelligent? You look totally intelligent. But okay. So after this round is done, the winner is third place. Woo! No, I was on motion, making a motion. Okay. But you need to stay tuned to me on the 4th round. So yeah. So that was number 1. That was my first round. Now I'm on the 2nd round. And guys, comment below if you want me to start putting music on while I play. Not like Animal Jam music, but I mean like real music. Like not like like pop music, like not like shake it off, like that. Comment below if you want me to start doing that. I hate it. I'm so loud. Now, I'm not sure if this glitch works, guys, but people have been saying it has. And it may not work all the time for you, but I think it's just, like, it may not work all the time, but it could. I don't know. First place, baby! Woo! First place. Thank y'all. Thank y'all. Oh, I'm at the very top. That's like so awesome. No. Most like a leader. Yeah. Okay, this is my 3rd round. Hey, guy, rare tiara. I'll take this rare eyeball, and then I'll take this rare. Really, guys, I'm gonna try to do mail time. So please try to send me some stuff. to do mail time, you can send me anything. I will give you a shout out if you send me something very good. I won't give you a big shout out if you send me something like shoes like this. But I won't give you like a big one, but I would try to give you one maybe. But please, I really want to do mail time. This is my third one, almost like a later. Beautiful. I really want to try to do mail time, so can you please send me gifts at Silly Riley 123. Silly Riley 123. Because I want to do mail time, it'll be cool. Yeah. I'll try to give you guys shout outs. Oh, I thought I did that. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, this is the 4th round, so pay attention. Pay attention now. 4th round. Now you pick the item you most want. Pick the item you most want. Not really good, but I'll take this crazy hat. Now then you go to settings. Now click allowed, and then close. Then you can discard. Okay, now remember, I do not know if this works, so please don't start blaming me like you tricked us, because people have been saying, you can look it up, best dress glitch. You can see people been saying if you do that, then you can get it. Now right when this round ends, you need to exit out quickly. So right before the next round ends, you have to exit out. Go. See, like that. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get it. Now please don't start blaming me, but it may not work every time, and the Animal Jam might have took it down, so I don't know. It may not be at the very top too. I think Animal Jam took it down. I'm pretty sure Animal Jam took it down. I'm not sure, but you guys can keep trying if you like. Comment below if it ever works for you. I hope it does work for you. But this has been another video, and I'm Animal Jam Lover 245, aka Silly Riley 123. I would really enjoy if you guys sent me a mail, because I really want to do mail time and stuff. It's okay if you don't. It's okay. I'm not forcing you or anything, but if you do send me mail, I could give you a shout out, and it will be pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. Okay, guys. Well, bye.